Welcome back everyone to our YouTube channel. I am EDUKADO by Sir Arnold Ryan Mercado. So, another important topic will be discussed in grade 6 mathematics, and this is all about adding and subtracting fractions. Let's go deeper in this topic. Ano nga ba ito? So, let's go beyond this topic. So, let's have a simple review. So, what is a numerator? Pamilyar pa ba tayo kay numerator? So, si numerator ay ang number dun sa taas ng fraction. Then, what is a denominator? Siyempre, yung nasa baba. So, sila ay separated by a fraction form. What does a normal fraction look alike? Of course, lagi lang naman dalawang number na kung nasaan ang taas ay numerator at ang baba ay denominator. What does a improper fraction look alike? So, mamaya alamin natin yan kasi improper fraction po yun. Then, what does a mixed number look alike? So, like fractions muna tayo, tinatawag din nating similar fractions. So, ano ba itong similar fractions na to? When fractions have the same denominator, they are like fractions or similar fractions. You can add or subtract fractions when you have like fractions. Example, 4/5, 7/5, 6/5, 3/5, 2/5, and 5/5 are all like fractions or similar fractions. Yan. Kasi bakit? Nagkapare-parehas po sila lahat sa kanilang denominator. So, let's go with adding similar fractions or like fractions. Here are the steps. Number 1, make sure that you have like fractions. So, tinan mo yung denominator, di ba? Then, just simply add the numerators. Then, pagkatapos nun, write the sum over the denominator. Then, pang-apat, write the answer in simplest form or lowest term. Isang example. So, addition to. Make sure that you have like fractions. Parehas ba silang denominator? Yes. At ang denominator nila ay 6. Next step. Ayan. Naka-highlight. Next step. Add the numerators. So, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Then, write the sum over the denominator. So, copy mo lang yung denominator. 5/6. Meron ba siya lowest term? The answer is 5/6 na. Kasi, yan yung kanyang simplest form. Now, let's go with subtraction. So, kabaliktaran lang naman ito ng addition. Steps pa rin. Make sure that you have like fractions. Subtract the numerators. Write the difference over the denominator at ang huli ay write the answer in simplest form. Kapag nagawa natin yan, napakadali lang. Example, 7/8 minus 3/8. Simple lang. Make sure that you have like fractions, similar fractions. Parehas ba ang kanilang denominators? Yes. Then, subtract the numerators. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Diba? Write the difference over the denominator or simply copy the denominator. Ayan, 4/8. Now po, pang-apat, write the answer in simplest form. Meron ba siyang lowest term? Meron po. At ang kanyang lowest term is 1/2. Paano nangyari? Kasi po, 4/8, isipin natin yung pinakamababang value na pwede natin i-divide sa kanila, which is 4/4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So, magiging sagot ay 1/2. So, these are some exercises that can be added or subtracted. Subukan natin. Ayan, una, 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5. Paano nangyari? Siyempre, copy the denominator, then 1 plus 2 equals 3. Basic, di ba? Next, 2/3 minus 1/3. So, tinan mo na lang yung numerator para mabase ka. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Then, copy the denominator. Lalo din sa number 3, 3/4 plus 2/4. So, magiging sagot nun ay 5/4. And, ang kanyang lowest term ay 1 and 1/4. Paano nangyari yun? Simple lang. 4 times 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. Divided by 4. 5/4. Or 1 and 1/4. Next. 5/7 plus 3/7 magiging 10/7. Di ba po? Pero nga po, 8/7. Pero nga po kasi, mahalaga kasi yung mixed number form niya. So, the answer is 1, 2, and 2/7. Next natin, 3/2 minus 1 half. So, 3 minus 1, 2. Copy the denominator, 2. So, 2/2 or 1. Next, 3/9 plus 5/9 is equal to 3 plus 5, 8. Copy the denominator, 8/9. Ganun din dito, 2/8 minus 2/8. So, 2 minus 2, 0/8. So, walang ganung sagot. The answer is 0. Next natin, 4/5 minus 3/5 is equal to, so 4 minus 3 magiging 1/5. 1/5. Ito naman, 7/8 plus 3/8. So, simple lang, 7 plus 3 magiging 10/8. Kunin ang lowest term, which is mixed number. So, the answer is 1, 2/8. Paano nangyari? 8 times 1, 8 plus 2, 10/8. Next, 2/6 plus 3/6. Simple lang, which is 5/6. Number 11, 5/10 minus 3/10 is equal to 1/5. Paano nangyari, sir? Ganon, 1/5. 5 minus 3, 2. Copy 10. So, may lowest term ba? Yes. Divide both sides by 2/2. So, 2 divided by 2, 1. 10 divided by 2, 5. Next natin, 6/7 plus 4/7 magiging 10/7 or lowest term, which is mixed number, 1/3/7. Kasi kanina naka-improper fraction pa siya. Next natin, 9/12 plus 3/12 equals 9 plus 3, 12 divided by 12, or copy the denominator. So, 12/12 or 1. Next natin, 2/7 minus 1/7. So, pag-subtract lang yung numerator, 1/7. Ganun din dito. So, 12 minus 3, 9/4. And naka-improper. So, we need to convert that to mixed number. So, magiging 2 and 1/4. Next po natin, 3/6 plus 9/6. So, 3 plus 9, 12/6 or 2. 4/13 minus 2/13. So, ano lang, subtract lang natin yung numerator. Then, copy the denominator. 2/13. So, ito namang isa, 7/9 minus 1/9. 8/9. So, dumadali habang tumatagal, no? So, 8/16 minus 4/16. So, 8 minus 4, 4. Copy the denominator, 16. May lowest term siya, tama? So, magiging 1/4. Paano, sir, naging 1/4? Kasi nga po, di ba, ang sagot natin ay 4/16. So, divide both sides by 4. So, 4 divided by 4, 1. 16 divided by 4, 4. Then, next is 2/3 plus 5/3. So, 5 plus 2, 7/3. Copy the denominator, 7/3. Improper. So, we need to convert that to mixed number. So, the answer is 2 and 1/3. So, simple lang ang ating exercise 1. Napakadali. Now, let's go with unlike fractions. Unlike fractions or dissimilar have different denominators. Yan po yung mga sample natin. 2/3, 3/4, 5/6, 5/8. adding or subtracting with unlike fractions or dissimilar is not that different from adding or subtracting like fractions or similar. You just have to find what their denominators have in common. So, po, changing unlike to like muna. Steps. Find a common multiple that will go into both denominators. Next, number 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number so the denominator is the same as the common multiple. Whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. Lagi natin silang ilalagay in vertical position para madalian tayo. So, 2/3 or 2 over 3, 5 over 6. Hanapin natin yung kanilang common multiple. So, 3 and 6 muna tayo. So, meron tayong 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. As 6 naman, meron tayong 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Ano yung pinakamaliit na nagkatulad sila? Yun ay ang number 6. So, call natin si 6. Ayan. Lagyan ang bawat space. Then, multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number so the denominator is the same with the common multiple. Simple lang. Ayan. Diba po? 6. There you are. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Times 2 is equal to, ganoon din dito. So, 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Then, times 5. So, magiging sagot natin ay, paano naging 4? Simple lang. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Times 2 equals 4. Ito naman din, paano naging 5? 6 divided by 6, 1 times 5, 5. Then, similar na ba sila? Yes, similar fraction na. So, ready na silang i-add or subtract. Now, let's go with exercises number 2. Add fractions, then put them in simplest form. So, add lang ang hinihingi. 1/2 plus 1/3. So, paano magiging sagot dyan? 5 over 6. So, 1/3 plus 1/5. Try natin sagutan. Bigyan ko niya ng 30 seconds para sagutan. So, the answer is 8 over 15. In number 3 naman, 5 over 6 plus 1 over 3. So, in 10 seconds, try to answer. So, the answer is 1 and 1, 6. Number 4, 1, 8 plus 3/4. 10 seconds. The answer is 7 over 8. Number 5, 3 over 3 plus 5 over 6. Try to answer. 1 and 5, 6. Paano po lang yung 1 and 5, 6 to? 3 over 3, 1 na kagad yan. Copy na lang natin. Number 6, 3/4 plus 3 over 20. So, what's the answer? 9 over 10. Then, number 7, 6 over 7 plus 3 over 4. What's the answer? 1 and 17 over 28. Next, number 8. 1 over 9 plus 2 over 3. So, what's the answer? 7 over 9. Number 9. 3 over 6 plus 2 over 9. What's the answer? 13 over 18. Last one. 1 over 6 plus 5 over 12. What's the answer? The answer is 7 over 12. So, that's the exercises number 2. Ito naman din, subtract lang natin sila. Then, pakilagay sa lowest term. So, 1/5 minus 2/5. What's the answer? 1 over 10. Next, number 2. 1/4 minus 1/6. What's the answer? 1 over 12. 7 over 8 minus 2/3. The answer is 5 over 24. Number 4, 4 over 5 minus 3 over 10. So, what's the answer? The answer is 1/2. Number 5, 8 over 9 minus 1 over 3. The answer is 5 over 9. Number 6, 3 over 5 minus 1/3. So, ano kaya sagot dyan? The answer is 4 over 15. Then number 7, 1/3 minus 1/6. The answer is 1/6. Number 8, 9 over 10 minus 2/5. So, what's the answer? The answer is 1/2. Number 9, 2/3 minus 1/2. So, let's try to answer. Ano nga ba ang sagot dyan? So, the answer is 1 over 6. Then, number 10, 4 over 5 minus 1/3. So, ano sagot? 7 over 15. Always remember, improper fractions are easy. Just treat them as if they are normal fractions. That's it. Now, unlike improper fractions, ayan, una-una, pag improper fractions, mas mataas yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. Example natin, 5 over 2, then 4 over 3. Ganun pa rin. Ayan. And then, so, kinuha lang natin yung kanilang least common denominator, which is 6. 6 divided by 2, 3 times 5, 15. Then, copy 6. Ganun din to. 6 divided by 3, 2 times 4, 8. Then, pwede natin silang simplify. 15 minus 8, kasi similar fractions sila, is equal to 7 over 6. Naka-improper pa rin. Gagawin pa rin natin siyang mixed number. 1 and 1, 6. Paano naging mixed number? Simple lang. 7 divided by 6, 1, then 1 and 6. Mixed numbers, there are two ways to change mixed numbers so you can add or subtract. First way, change the mixed number into an improper fraction. Then, pangalawang way, change just the fraction and leave the whole number alone. Ito po yung sample ng mixed numbers natin. 1 and 1/5 plus 2 over 3 over 5. So, simple lang. Steps, add the fractions together, then add the whole numbers. Since similar fractions sila, 1 plus 3, 4. Copy 5. So, 4 over 5. Add the whole numbers. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Ganun lang kasimple kapag mixed number na similar na fractions. Ayan. Paano kapag unlike or dissimilar? Steps, change the unlike fractions to like fractions. Add the fractions. Add the whole numbers. If the fraction is improper, change it to mix and add the whole number. Example, 1 and 1/2 plus 2 over 5 over 6. 2 and 5, 6. Unang step, i-change natin ang kanilang denominator kasi magkaiba. Gawin natin mixed number. Iwan muna natin mga whole numbers. 1/2 tapos 5 over 6. Ayan. So, para sa sila ngayon na kanilang denominator. Then, copyhin natin. Yan. 8 over 6. Bakit naging 8 over 6? 3 plus 5 magiging 8. Copy 6. Add the whole numbers. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3, 8 over 6. If the fraction is improper pa rin, change that to mixed number and add the whole number. So, 3. Yan. Tignan natin paano naging 1 And 2 over 6 yan. 6 times 1. 6 plus 2. 8 over 6 kanina. Pwede natin ipag-add itong 3 at yung 1. So, yung sagot yan ay 4. 4 and 2, 6. At ang pinaka-final answer natin is 4 and 1/3. Paano po? Copy lang si 4 kasi whole number naman yan. Yung 2 over 6 may lowest term ba siya? Yes. Divide both sides by 2 over 2. So, magiging 1/3. 4 and 1/3. So, ito yung mga ilang examples natin. Try to answer it. Bigyan ko po kayo ng 2 minutes para sagutan yan. Habang lang sasagot tayo, try to answer din. Isa-isayin natin number 1. So, ito yung mga sagot natin. 1 and 3/8 minus 1 and 1/8. So, simple lang. So, 1 minus 1, tanggalin natin yun kasi hindi yung nilalagay. Then, 3/8 minus 1/8, similar fraction sila. So, magiging 2 over 8. Ano ang lowest term ng 2 over 8? 1/4. Another. 2 and 2/5 plus 1 and 1/5. So, simple lang. Ipag-add yung whole number. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then, copy natin yung denominator. Then, 2 plus 1 sa taas, 3. So, the answer is 3 and 3/5. Wala siyang lowest term kasi yan ang kanyang numbers. Next. 1 over 1 and 7/8 minus 1 and 6/8. So, similar fractions, copy the denominator 8. Then, 1 minus 1, huwag na ilagay kasi 0 naman. 7 minus 6, 1. So, 1, 8. Ganun din to sa masunod natin, number 4. 3, 4 over 7 plus 2 over 3 over 7. So, add lang natin lahat. Then, copy the denominator. The answer is 6 lang. Paano nangyari? 7, 7, denominator. 4 plus 3, 7. So, 7 over 7 is automatically 1. So, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Ito naman, 4 and 8 over 9 minus 2 and 1 over 9. Is equal to 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Then, 8 minus 1, 7. Copy the denominator, 9. Dito naman sa lista to ay dissimilar fractions naman. So, 3 and 1 half, 3/4, 9 and 1/6, 2 and 7 over 30, and 10. So, that's it. So, hopefully, naintindihan natin ang adding and subtracting similar fractions and dissimilar fractions, mixed numbers, and improper fractions. Goodbye, everyone.